So earlier on, I mentioned that we have type 1 and type 2 hypervisors, which is true. So with type 1 hypervisor, all you have to know is that you need your computer. So normally in this real world, for our computers, we know we have the RAM, we have the hard disks, we have the NIC, all these things that I've spoken about. And later on, you get to understand all these components as well. But normally, these are hardware components. So SSD or HT. Now, with the normal computers everybody has, you realize that when you buy it, there's an operating system. It mostly will be Windows. And this operating system is the one that helps us do stuff. But when it comes to type 1 hypervisor, type 1 hypervisors doesn't work on an operating system. So basically with type 1 hypervisors, you just buy a computer, you delete the operating system, or you may want to do another boot. And then you have this one, the hard disk, you have the RAM, and then you may have the NIC as well. But we're saying that instead of installing an operating system, you install the hypervisor. So that could be your VMware sphere. You install the hypervisor. So basically, with type 1 hypervisor, it is bare metal. Sometimes you hear people say bare metal, meaning there's no layer between the hardware components and then the hypervisor. So the hypervisor gets direct contact with the system, which makes it faster, which makes it a bit more efficient, which makes it a bit more, I would want to say productive, because there's no other layer which is using some of the resources. So this guy has first-hand information from this guy, and it means that since there's no operating system between the hypervisor and the hardware component, if anything happens to the operating system, it doesn't affect the hypervisor because there's no operating system. With type 1 hypervisor, your operating system for your main computer, it's your hypervisor.